Hey there! If you came across this video, you're probably wondering how to delete an Instagram account. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. In the bottom right hand corner, hit your profile. Should bring you to your main profile page. Hit the top 3 dashes. Go to settings. Now you're going to click on this See More and Account Center button. Then you want to go to Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion, the account you want to delete, hit Delete Account, Continue. It's going to ask you why. You don't actually have to tell it why. Yes, you do. Something else. Continue. Then you're going to enter your password and it will delete your account. And it's that simple. If that helped you out, please like and have a good day. And if you're on a computer by chance, I will show you how to do that as well. Profile in the left corner, the settings button up at the top. Go to settings and privacy. See More in Account Center. And then personal details, account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion, choose the account, delete account, continue. And that's all you gotta do.